a big tree, isn't it? Yeah. It's big. Want to put this one on? Look, look, whoop, whoop. Oh. Oh. Ready? Ready? Right there. Doop. Doop. How about another one? Which one? How about this one? Where should we put it? Let's put it... He's looking at the ceiling. The tree's right here, buddy. Hey, look. Look. Yeah. Should we hang it right there? Was that good?